I'm going to show you how to make an event within Qlumi. And an event can be anything. It could be a party, a big party, a gala. It can be a wedding. It can be a performance. It can be a religious event. Or it could be a group meetup. It could be a meeting, a business meeting. It can be a travel for a business meeting, travel for events, travel of any variety. In order to create an event, you're going to hit the Q button in the very bottom right corner, that red Q. When you hit it, an animation happens. And the very bottom section that opens up is New Event, and there's a big plus sign. And if you push on that, the New Event option opens up. Here you can see it starts off with Enter Event Name. And so we're going to actually erase this with the, for me it's the X button. I'm going to erase that, and I'm going to put in a name. Let's call it the Grand Canyon. Oop, not Canyon. Grand Canyon Adventure, let's call it. Now, what you'll see here is that there are 3 words in separate bubbles. If I push on a different word, different images show up. So here this is coming up for grand. If I hit Canyon, a different set of images are going to show up. I can hit Adventure, and another set of images show up. Or I could, in this first option, upload a photo. I can basically put my own image in there. I don't have to select one from this pre-existing subset. Here I'm going to select, let's hit Canyon again. Let's see if there's a nice Grand Canyon one. Monument Valley. All right, we'll say this is the canyon. Not exactly right. I like the one I saw in Grand more. Here we go. That looks very Grand Canyon-y. And then I hit the next button, and now it's going to give me options for dates and times and whether I'm going to cancel or confirm this. I'm just going to randomly take a date of October 26th, I guess. I'm going to hit confirm, and now it's going to give me a chance of putting in a time. And I'm going to say 9 a.m. So you just scroll down. 9 a.m. There we go. I'm going to confirm that. And then it's going to ask me for a location. And in the upper box here where it says search, where you're seeing this blinking, I'm going to put in Grand Canyon and village. Okay, I'll put the village in Arizona. I'm selecting that. And what comes up is an image of this location and this big plus sign. If I hit that plus sign, I'm tagging it and I'm making it part of the event. If I don't hit that plus sign, I'm not making it part of the event. So you have to make something part of the event. So here I'm going to hit that plus sign, and now it's added as tagged in the event. So this is my only location I'm going to add for this event. So I'm going to hit the next button on the upper left corner. And when I do that, I see location. I'm just going to hit next. And now event description, I'm going to just say going to the Grand Canyon. I'm going to hit done. It adds that as my description. Here I can add activities if different things are happening within the event as subsets of the event. In this case, I'll just poke on it to show you what you can add the specific thing that's happening and the start and end times. I'm not going to add an activity for this, so I'm going to hit cancel. And here I have the option to add guests. Obviously, we want to have someone as a guest. And what comes up for me are groups versus contacts. A group is something is multiple individuals added together as a team or a group that I can come back to again and again and invite, or I can add individuals via my phone's contact page. So here I'm going to add someone in my contact list. Boom, 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 boom. All right, I've added contact to the event. And I could add as many guests as I want. I'm going to stop there, and I'm going to hit the Save Event, and that is going to suddenly make this event active. And that person I invited is going to receive an invitation by text. And it's going to. What I just did is I pulled down on the screen to refresh it. When I did that, the Grand Canyon Adventure just showed up right here. And this is my event as my guests will see it, where this big, beautiful picture, information about when and where, the map so they can get to it immediately, any activities, other people as they're saying whether they're coming and going. And now I can add photos to the event. Delete event will actually erase it from the phone if you are a guest. You need to archive the event through the edit process if you want to completely get rid of the event as the event creator. And that is how you create an event.